The teaser campaign for the upcoming OPPO Find N5 is in full swing, and the latest additions reveal the phone's updated hinge and its exact thickness, 8.93mm. OPPO Find N5 Mag accessories teased, 5000 mAh Mag power bank, AirVook 50W. The OPPO Find N5 is confirmed to launch globally on February 20th. The smartphone will come in satin black, jade white, and dusk purple color. OPPO Find N5 will feature IPX9 water protection, which would be a first for a foldable, while the foldable Find N5 will offer an 8-inch main screen with 2K resolution and 120Hz refresh rate. The Find N5 will be the world's first foldable to equip the 7-core Snapdragon 8 Elite chip, with a massive 16GB of RAM and 512GB of internal storage. Run on ColorOS 15 based on Android 15. The Find N5 will sport a triple rear camera setup, a 50-megapixel primary camera, an 8-megapixel secondary lens, and another 50-megapixel 3x periscope telephoto camera. It will include two 8-megapixel cameras, one on the outer display and another on the internal foldable screen. N5 will pack a much larger 5600 mAh battery that supports 80W wired charging and 50W wireless charging. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.